just got home from work and it's literally freezing. Oh my gosh, I just can't. I don't think I can take this. So welcome to day 2 of Vlogmas, or episode 2. In this episode, you guys are gonna get to see my secret cookie recipe. We are gonna be doing 500 plus cookies for a holiday party tomorrow. Oh my gosh, and you guys will get to see my secret chocolate chip cookie recipe. This is not vegan. They made a special request for it not to be vegan, which is no problem. The recipe is actually a lot easier, so no worries there. But I just have to run to the grocery store and grab a few things. I think I need like the main things, like chocolate chips or whatever. So if you guys want to come with me, that would be cool. But oh my gosh, I'm actually freezing out here. Oh. Okay, I only need 3 things from the store, so I don't like going to the grocery store, but I'm gonna go and grab these 3 things, then we'll come back and start the recipe. Okay, finally made it to the kitchen. It's 7:36 right now, so I think we're doing pretty good. Got all the ingredients, tons and tons of chocolate chips, just tons, okay? Flour, sugar. Let me gather all the ingredients. I'll put the recipe in the description below. You guys, this is the best chocolate chip recipe you'll ever have in your life, I swear. And then I'm thinking of adding maybe some, let me see. I'm thinking of adding some oats to some of the cookies to give it like an oatmeal chocolate chip. Oh, Louis is just so cute. He's just literally staring at me. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was thinking of doing some sugar cookies depending on, you know, how it goes. So let me just knock out the chocolate chip recipe because it's so easy, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let me check in with you guys when I have all the ingredients and everything ready. Okay. Okay, so I don't know what made me add the marshmallows. I've never added marshmallows before, but they didn't come out so good and they all burned. So yeah, but it's okay. Hi, sweetie. Yay,